Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Holden Equinox LT. Stock reference number 4810. This shape runs from the 9th month 2017 through to the 12th month 2020. It has a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, HID type, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, light scratch, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heated controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.